To be. To be or not to be. Is that all for me? Could it be that life is nothing but a strife to exist in the world or disappear in death's cold? What did Shakespeare assume our minds should consume when it comes to grasping the day and not let our last breath slip away? There must be more to find than just a fight for life's last breath to afford us another moment in accord with our being's only goal, to escape death's dark hole. To be or not to be. It is a longing for the one who could give life meaning and not just passively being without something to live for here in this imperfect world. Being mere puppets of a cold, unkind master who is only a caster of a concrete box where thinking, feelings, emotions lock in place to keep us to mere being. From outside seen as a commonly accepted feeling that to be is only what has been. He who is and was and will forever be has come in love to me. Now I don't just have to be. Forever being loved by his greater meaning. As he is, so I can be.